Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about the reason why adopting a ketogenic diet rich in healthy fats helps us reduce fat in the liver. Although it may seem paradoxical, as one might think that consuming fats would continue to deposit them on the liver, the ketogenic diet works by converting the body's fat into ketones, and this process takes place in the liver. To facilitate this process, it is necessary to reduce the amount of carbohydrates consumed. With the production of ketosis, the fat accumulation in the liver will cease. After transitioning to a ketogenic diet, you may not see an immediate reduction in waist circumference in the first few days because our body will first consume the fat stored in the liver and then move on to visceral fat. So, the results will be visible a bit later, and this fact can be demoralizing for people who start the diet and are eager to tighten their belts by one notch. We must understand that this fat did not accumulate overnight. There have been years during which our bodies received less healthy food according to our cravings, and it is evident that to get rid of this excess fat, we need time. Through the production of ketosis, we can burn up to 100 grams of fat per day. So, we need to be persistent and patient because the results will appear. However, we must strictly adhere to a few rules. First and foremost, it is recommended to consume more vegetables because our bodies need fiber to feed the microorganisms in the intestines. In this way, more bile is recycled, which helps eliminate excess fat through the gallbladder. There are several fiber-rich vegetables that can be included in the ketogenic diet. Here are a few examples. Spinach. It is an excellent source of fiber and essential nutrients. It can be consumed in salads, soups, or cooked in various ways. Cauliflower. It is a versatile vegetable rich in fiber. It can be used to prepare cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower, or added to various dishes. Broccoli. It is another healthy vegetable, rich in fiber and nutrients. It can be consumed boiled, steamed, or added to salads. Brussels sprouts. This cruciferous vegetable provides fiber and has a low carbohydrate content. It can be roasted or steamed to preserve the nutrients. Asparagus. It is an excellent source of fiber and rich in vitamins and minerals. It can be boiled, steamed, or sautéed. Bell peppers. They provide a significant amount of fiber and can be consumed raw in salads or cooked in various recipes. Lettuce, arugula, and other leafy greens are excellent options to add volume and nutrients to your keto diet. Mushrooms like cremini mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and wild mushrooms are rich in fiber and can be used in various keto recipes. Zucchini can be transformed into zucchini noodles, zoodles, or used to replace dough in keto bread or pizza recipes. Green beans. This is a good option as it has a low carbohydrate content. It can be steamed or sautéed in healthy oil. Green onions. They add flavor and texture to dishes and have a low carbohydrate content. Chili peppers. If you like spicy food, chili peppers are an excellent choice in the keto diet as they contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism. It is important to note that in the ketogenic diet, the amount of carbohydrates needs to be carefully monitored, opting for vegetables with low carbohydrate content and limiting the consumption of vegetables with higher carbohydrate content, such as carrots or sweet potatoes. Secondly, it is essential to know that intermittent fasting significantly accelerates the process. While practicing intermittent fasting, the production of ketosis is stimulated at a high level. The combination of low carbohydrates and intermittent fasting is extraordinary. Fatty liver develops due to choline deficiency, and ironically, most choline-rich foods are fatty and high in cholesterol. Choline is an essential nutrient, similar to B-complex vitamins, that plays an important role in overall health. It is an organic compound that is part of the structure of phospholipids and neurotransmitters in the brain. Although the body can synthesize a small amount of choline, it is not enough to meet daily needs. Therefore, it is important to obtain choline from the diet. Here are some food sources rich in choline. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, especially the egg yolk, which contains the highest amount. Shrimp, these seafood are a rich source of choline. Meat and animal organs, beef liver, poultry meat, especially chicken breast, and pork meat are good sources of choline. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna contain significant amounts of choline. Leafy green vegetables, some leafy greens, like spinach, contain small amounts of choline. Milk, nuts, and seeds, such as sunflower seeds and sesame seeds, can also provide choline to a lesser extent. Choline can also be taken in the form of powder or dietary supplements. It is lipotropic, dissolving fat from the liver to accelerate the process. It should be noted that choline plays a vital role in brain function, lipid metabolism, and liver health. To ensure an adequate intake of choline, it is recommended to include choline-rich foods in your diet or, if necessary, consult a nutrition specialist to determine if choline supplementation is suitable for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like if you enjoyed our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to receive notifications about all my content, click the notification bell. And until next time, we wish you all the best and take care of your health.